Hello. When you get your glass tube, you should first step is adjust the distance between the two rulers. This two button is control the distance. Click this. The two ruler will be like this. The distance will be bigger. Click this. The distance will be smaller. You can see. When you are sure the distance is good for the glass tube, it means your glass tube will placed on it well and not fall down. This step is good. After you finish the distance between the two rulers, next step you can move this board to let your glass close this and lock it like this to lock it, so this board will not move again. You can see they will not move again. The next is to adjust the forward servo motor down distance. You can see it's discus. You should make the distance this point. The distance between this point and the surface of the glass point, the distance should be 1 millimeters. How to achieve it? Click this. The servo motor will be done. You can see. The motor is done. When the distance between this and this, the distance is 1 millimeters. You have a look the depth of the have a look how the distance the servo motor has done. Click the main frame, the lifting position. Remember this, and input this data to parameter setting to this. How? Okay, input this data to input the data into this column. And the next step is set the parameters slow forward distance. As I told you, the distance between the point of the discus and the surface of the glass should be 1 millimeters, and this glass tube, the wall thickness is 2 millimeters. So it will be 3 millimeters. Okay, after finish this parameters input and back to the main frame and click the menu mode, and it will be changed to automatic mode, and click this button start. The machine will be cutting the gas tube automatically. There has some suggestions is when you turn off your electricity, or you work on the next day morning, you should click this back to zero. You must remember it. Only you cut off your electricity, or your worker work on next day, you must click this back to zero. Change it to menu mode and click the back to zero. The servo motor will be up, and the distance of the two ruler will be back to zero. Okay, that's all.